There's Boris. His cage will never be shut again. Attached. Some rope there, so there he is there, the big boy. Boris! Oh, he fluffs out like a big boy. Oh, and he's mohawk boy. Oh. He's a big boy. There's a stick that goes from the roof to the ground. He gets up there in his cage. Water. Apple tray, the food tray. When I used to go in the other room, he jumps in his cage. And that's strapped with that stick taped to there. He climbs down. There he's there, the big buoy. He gets down there. So he goes from that stick and down, up there, climbs up, or he gets on the top there and goes there, or out the front. And there he is there, the big buoy. Boris! Hello! You're getting a female in about a week? Yes, big buoy. He's a big buoy. And then you've got the stand from the old house. And on tables, that'll stay. The parrots, she's minding her eggs, thank God. When we moved, it was a bit of a stressful time, but they couple to be, couple always will be, looking after the 3 babies. Their cage is already done, the aviary outside is built, but they won't move until the babies are about 2 weeks old, so about maybe 2-3 weeks they're out. These 4, we've got Cockatoo, we've got Hope, Holly, and Biscuit, we've got Daisy, Romeo, Gargamel. Their cage is coming on Monday, their aviary, so there'll be aviaries outside everywhere. Mortiche. There's 9 cockatiels in the cage. There'll be 2 cockies in here and outside area. And look how tame he is, the buoy. And you will have your own aviary, the parrot aviary, and all your young. But males with only about 2 to 3 females, 3 boxes. Whatever female goes into an aviary, there's a box for them to chill out, relax, make a nest, find a partner, and call this planet heaven where we are and where we sit. Hello! There's his food. Hey! Come here. There you go. Is there that? Oh! You were coming before for your food, that's why I just built that little plastic thing I didn't build. I got some masking tape and I couldn't build. Just taped it. Oh! Because I had it up on here, and he was having fun, and then it spilled everywhere. Ooh. Trying to get a dustpan and shovel, and can't move the newspaper. He's going to get a massive log, where cockies like to go into a tree and nest, so his female partner will have a giant log bored out, with hopefully a hole, or a tunnel. And then I've got another log he can sit in, and the whole world will be log city for them. And then maybe a swing. And a bird light. Yes. And there's a bird light out for you, out in your aviary, Daphne Gill. She's listening, her eyes, oh. Zoom into listening, Gill. Yeah, see her eye? Listening, Gill. Your aviary's built. Once your babies are about 2 weeks old, I'll take over mummy. And then you'll see him after about 4 or 5 weeks after you see him. So after 2 weeks I'll take them, they'll get to their new aviary, call it home. 4 weeks later the kids will return. Yeah, she heard that. Oh, all your kids from this batch, all 3 will return. Thank you for nesting still. Oh, because they had a whole bedroom. Then a box goes in a cage. I mean, fuck me, I could have stressed her. She couldn't have gone back in, but mummy will look at how happy she is, the girl. Daphne. Look at him, he's a big boy. Oh, Bozza. Boris. This is his guardian to the room. No one will obviously want to break in. This thing will fly at your face and claw your eyes out and bite your eyes out. But not the owners, not my mum or me. He's a good boy, isn't he? And the female too's coming. She's 4 years old. Daphne, look at you, kid. Oh. Is he a big boy? Puffy boy? Oh. Is he a big boy? Is he a big boy? Yes. Oh. Oh. Daphne, yeah, listening. The aviary's beautiful. You have 2 boxes to choose from, that same size. 2 water dispensers, food dispenser, a special food dispenser where I put treats in, swings, perches, and the main thing is you two be happy. And in here, that little cage in this room wouldn't have done. I started renovating the room, but it's for the cocky now. You only get this section here, and outside I'm putting some chicken wire up around the fences, and obviously the whole front, nearly the whole backyard will be bird nets, chicken wires, the whole giant, say, Jurassic Park pen where they can go flying around. And some, like this one, will be walking around and jumping around like a jumpy boy. Oh. Jay's cage will never shut again. Oh, get out anyway. He's got the super perch from the house that I moved out of, that I've built. This took ages. Look at it. It's extremely well. Mastercraft, masterpiece, mastercraft, whatever you want to call it. People rather pay $300, $400, $500 for this thing. I mean, one stick is $45, man. This thing's got ropes, it's got fucking, you got the keys down there, I took away dangling, you've got forced perch over there, climbing. Whew. Cockatiels love this, and so did Diago and Daphne, they loved it. They used to eat grass on here, I took the dispenser away and the water. Oh yes, hello. Oh. But now they gave it to Boris. You're the boy. Come here. Oh. Boris. Yes. Oh, he's a big boy. Is he a show boy? Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, he's a big boy. Oh. He's a big boy. Yes. Boris. 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 He's a big boy. Oh. You were coming before. Every time I put an apple there, a seed, you were playing games, and then you were coming up and charging me, but you weren't. Seeing if I was scared. Trusting me. There's Daphne having a chew, she can't wait. Diago's sitting on the 3 eggs at the moment. Diago boy. Oh. Can I come in there? Or are you going to show me your big powers? Show me your power. Show me your power. There's my hand. Yes. Good boy. Show me the power. Oh, he's a big boy. Show me. Show me. Oh. He's a big boy. Oh. He's a big boy. Show me your wings. Oh. 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 He's a big boy. Sorry, but I'm just going to show the people. Oh. He's a big boy. You don't want to do your wings, boy. Oh. You're going to charge me now, are ya? Oh. He's a big boy. Oh, there's a poop. So small. People, why even worry about bird poo? This one's small. So big, but shit's so small. Oh, you gonna charge me? Are you gonna charge me? Are you gonna charge me? I'm standing still like I did before. I did not move. One muscle. Yes. Yeah. He's a happy boy. Aren't you, boy? Oh. Yes. Oh, he's gonna do the charge. Oh, he's floating out. Oh. Oh. He's a big boy. Hello, can I have a pat? Oh, he's a big boy. Oh, he's a pretty boy. Hello. I'll give you a seat. There you go. That's a seat. Because he's a big boy. Oh. Puffy boy. Oh. Boris, can I have a pat? Can I have a pat, Boris? Oh, you're being a good boy now. You're just walking away, Bozza. Can I have a pat? I know you're fast. Oh, he's a big boy. Sorry, Boris. Just showing you that you don't want to do your wings anymore. But you were showing me before, fake charging me, pulling them out, being a show pony boy. A show pony boy. There you go. Hello. There you go. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. That's the seed. Oh. He's a big boy. Oh, pretty boy. Yes. Big boy. Oh. He's Boris. Good boy. He's a perching boy. Oh. I'll sit down. Show him a little bit more. We're back to some training. Oh. Hello. Hello. Okay, you'll be in Monday because unfortunately their breeding box had so many eggs that were dead. One egg stuck to her. It was not that good of a sign, but we're fixing it. Giving them 5 boxes for the 5 female cockatiels. I'll go part 2.